Hi guys, if you're probably watching this, it's 25th of December, so Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So I'm just here to intro my latest vlog, which is a vlogmas, and to take you guys through my vlog. My vlog is about our wedding and just a few things that I've been doing, a few errands that I ran this month, just a few bits of here and there, and chilling with my family and vibing to some wine. And I hope you enjoy this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow. If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't.
Trofei kwa nyuma yake.
Don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow.
Tested it, guys. It's working perfectly. I love the quality. It has a lot of things. It comes with this. I don't know what this is for. Guys, I've just received a package that I want to open with you. I'm so excited. It's my Christmas present. This is part of the package I've already opened. Okay, zilikuja zikiwa separate. Hii ndio sijafungua, and I am very excited, guys. I can't wait to show you. Let's open with you guys. I'm so excited. Ooh, the color, it's the color for me, guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait to carry this bag everywhere. And the dresses I got, you guys know the way I love white, number one. Number two, you guys know the way I love ribbed things. Oh my god, you should see this dress. It's a maxi dress. Let me just insert a photo. You see, that's how the dress looks. It is so gorgeous, and I can already picture it with this bag. This is another white dress. I don't usually have white dresses, so I just decided, let me just get them. These are my Christmas presents. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait. Like I told you guys, I'm changing my wardrobe into grown. And I'm so happy. Like, my purchases are always like sijai kosea kwa fashion. Excited to show you the set of glasses that I recently got from Quick Mart, which are very huge. They are the right size. 4 at 1600, guys. Though they were out of stock, I took the entire box, which okay, hawezi uza like one by one, so I had to take the entire box, which was 1600. I feel like that's a steal, and the glasses are so lovely and elegant, as you guys can see. And I also bumped into this oil dispenser, which is so beautiful and classy. It's thrifted, guys. Can you see that? It's so pretty, and it's the glasses for me. It actually gave me psych to refill on my wine, and yeah, I got another bottle, and I can't wait to drink. It's Friday, and yeah, I'm in the mood for some wine. I will always be in the mood with these glasses. These glasses are so classy. Trust me, they look better in person. Right now, camera haifanyi justice, but they look better in person. I promise you. They are so huge. They are so huge. And yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys and put you on. You can go try your luck. I don't know if it's all the Quick Marts, but the Quick Mart that I go to is the one that is at Mlolongo. And yeah, they were out of stock. I just got the last box, and yes,